What was so unique about Mo's approach was she took me through a deep personal journey that made me realize where I wanted to be in my life and how to align that with my goals. And she showed me how to hone in on my skills, my gifts.
I would recommend Mo to everyone as a personal coach or her career breakthrough workshops for organizations because she's awesome, because she changes people's lives. And when people's lives are changed for the better and they're positive and happy every day, a leader can't ask for anything more than that. Makes you look great, and that's exactly what you want to happen. And I would definitely recommend her.
She's smart and she's soulful. She has a way of reframing things in a more positive way. And most importantly, I think she's such a good listener. I always thought work had to be hard, and if it wasn't, it didn't count, I guess. So she brought clarity to that, and I do make a difference. It feels good, and that would be my major outcome with her.
The team was able to open themselves. We were able to take down barriers, and most importantly, we were able to trust each other and open ourselves to each other to help with the day-to-day interactions that we have in our career. Throughout the work with Coach Mo was a transformational change for myself as well as for my team. Being able to apply the leadership styles that we learned throughout our day-to-day operations really helped us be successful.
This will help you get down to deep layers of who you really are, expressing yourself. What are those things that you really must do? Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to craft your personal mission statement.